Think you know car maintenance? Think again. Many fluid flushes your mechanic recommends are unnecessary and sometimes even harmful. In this video, we'll bust the biggest myths about car fluid flushes, reveal which ones matter, and show you how to avoid getting scammed. By the end, you'll know how to save hundreds and keep your car running strong. Let's get started. First up, the power steering flush. Service advisors love to push it, but most modern cars use electric power steering. No fluid, no flush needed. If your car has EPS, a power steering flush is a total scam. For older cars with hydraulic systems, a flush is rarely needed unless you have real symptoms, like hard steering or dark, burnt fluid. Check your owner's manual to see what system you have. If your fluid looks clean and your steering works fine, skip the flush. Don't let scare tactics drain your wallet. Now you know better. Next, the fuel system flush. Shops claim it's essential, but every time you fill up with top-tier gas, you're already cleaning your fuel system. Government-mandated detergents keep injectors and valves clean, unless your car's been sitting for years or you've used only low-quality gas. You don't need a flush. If you're worried, use a $10 bottle of fuel system cleaner every 10,000 miles. Don't pay $200 at the shop. Save your money for real maintenance. Engine oil flushes sound helpful, but they can wreck your engine, especially if it's older or neglected. Flushing chemicals can break loose sludge, clogging vital oil passages, and starving your engine of lubrication. The result? Catastrophic engine failure. The best way to keep your engine clean: change your oil on time with quality synthetic oil and a good filter. Modern oils clean gently over time, no flush needed. Stick to regular oil changes, and you'll never need this risky service. Don't let anyone talk you into an engine flush. Here's a flush you shouldn't skip: brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs water over time, lowering its boiling point and risking brake failure. Even if it looks clean, it can be full of moisture. Manufacturers recommend changing it every 2-3 years or 30,000 miles. This isn't an upsell, it's critical for your safety. A brake fluid flush is cheap insurance against brake fade and failure. Don't ignore it. Your life could depend on it. Coolant flushes are essential for engine health. Over time, coolant loses its anti-corrosion properties and turns acidic, leading to rust, clogs, and leaks. A proper flush removes all the old corrosive fluid, not just what's in the radiator. Modern coolants last 5 years, or 100,000 miles. But check your manual for specifics. Don't wait for overheating. Prevent expensive repairs with timely coolant service. It's simple, effective, and saves you thousands in the long run. Protect your engine. Flush your coolant on schedule. Transmission fluid for life is a myth. Fluid breaks down, causing wear and expensive failures. Skip high-pressure flushes, but do a gentle drain and fill every 60,000-80,000 miles. This replaces a portion of the fluid, keeping your transmission healthy. It's easy, affordable, and can prevent a $5,000 repair. Don't trust lifetime claims. Protect your transmission with regular service. Check your manual for the right fluid and interval. A little maintenance goes a long way. Don't gamble with your transmission. Not every flush is a scam, but not all are essential. Stick to your owner's manual, watch for real symptoms, and don't fall for pressure sales. Avoid power steering, fuel, and engine flushes unless truly needed. Prioritize brake fluid, coolant, and transmission service. Share your flush stories in the comments and subscribe for more honest car advice. Drive smart, save money, and keep your car running strong.